Hi, this recording is for the cash management application part, and let's work on some applications on cash management. Those are some of the discussion applications. I suggest you start with those after you read the PowerPoint and then the ebook chapter 7. So just to review, make sure you understand the concepts correctly. So you are going to work on the discussion applications. Let's do some problem solving. Cost benefit analysis of cash management, like the one we did in the previous recording. So this insurance business has collection centers for speeding up collections across this country. The company also makes its disbursements from remote disbursement centers, so that's for slowing down disbursements. The collection time has been reduced by 2 days. We are going to need that. So we collect our cash on the daily basis 2 days faster because of the collection centers. And disbursement time increased by 1 day. We are going to need that too. Excess funds are being invested in short-term instruments, yielding 12% per year. That's the interest rate we are going to use to calculate the benefit part. If City Farm has 5 million per day in collections and 3 million per day in disbursement, how much dollars, how much cash is freed up? Well, like in the previous application we did with the insurance company, to find out the total cash freed up on the daily basis, we have to multiply the number of days you speed up collections times the amount of collections, so in this case 2 times 5, plus add the number of days delayed disbursement times the amount of disbursement, in this case 1 times 3. So it's going to be 2 times 5, 10, plus 1 plus times 3. That's going to be 13 million cash. See? Here. Daily collections times number of days, 10 million. Daily disbursement times number of days, 3 million. Total 13 million. And then the next question is, how much can City Farm earn in dollars per year on short-term investments? So we know that they freed up 13 million. How much money they are going to make in interest on this money freed up? So you are going to apply 12%, 0.12 to 13 million. So that's going to be 1,560,000. Hopefully it's not too hard to calculate. That's the interest on freed up cash. Let's do another one. Similar, but it takes it one step further on doing the cost-benefit analysis with a decision of implementing the collection centers or not. This business has lighting appliances, and they also have local collection centers to speed up collections. Cash management that can defer the payments by 1/2 a day. 1/2, it's a little confusing here. It's not 1 day and a half, it's half a day. Half a day. Without affecting suppliers. The bank has a remote disbursement center in Florida. Okay, speed up collections by 3 days. We are going to need that too. Speed up collections 3 days, delay disbursement half a day. So we have the amounts for collections 2.25 million and for disbursements 1.05 million. So of course the first question, how much cash is freed up on the daily basis? So like we did in a previous application, we have 2.25 collections times number of days speeding up collections times 3 plus 1.05 times half a day, 0.05. And that's the total cash freed up. Let's see what we have here. So we have 2.25 collections times 3, that's the amount here, and plus 1.05 times half a day, this is what it is, and then that's the total here. And then let's see, that was point A. B, if you can make an interest of 6%, how much is your benefit from this decision? Then you apply 6% to the cash freed up and see the amount. And then for C, if the cost benefit analysis is implemented and the cost actually is 400,000 to have a new collection center, that's the cost part. You have to compare that cost part with the benefit, which is the interest that you make on the cash freed up. And if the benefit is higher, go for it. If the cost is higher, probably it's not a good idea. So those are the calculations. That's the freed up cash times 6% interest, 436. As you can see right away, this amount is higher than the cost. So you can decide that it's a good investment. The income from interest is higher than the cost element. So yes, go ahead and implement the new collection center.